गरीबों का कुछ उसका बंद
multidimensional characteristics. We want that kind of students. Let's take an interview, sir.
Let me see. Oh, we have quota candidates first today. My mood got spoiled.
Quota candidate.
Yeah, we have quota list today. No worries. We'll manage. We'll manage.
Let me
First confirm. See whether from which category this guy.
He has a good marks in written. He has belongs to ESC. So, yeah, we will decide.
Okay, we will decide. Okay, come. Say, wait. I didn't ask you to say it. What's your name? What you told? Jakpal what?
Jakpal Valmiki.
Valmiki. Oh, Jakpal, from which place you are?
From Rajasthan.
Where from Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Sir, Jaipur. He's wearing branded clothes also. So he doesn't seem Dalit. Let me ask, where from Jaipur?
South Jaipur.
South Jaipur. Oh, the slum area. Oh,
On his appearance, he did not look like a Dalit.
yes. Society changing so much, but okay.
They are having material access now.
Yes. No worries, Jagat. Sit down. Okay, you came for history interview in JNU. Okay.
Let me ask you some question from history. Okay, tell me about. Did you read Urmila Topper's book? Let me ask you. What is there in page number 251? You don't remember? See, sir.
You don't remember? Oh, JNU's quality is declining. Day by day, the old golden days are no longer here.
See the people from this kind of community coming here and wasting their time, sir.
No, not there our time, man. Okay, I will ask you next easy question. Okay, have you read Ravan Chandra's Caves book, India Never Got Independence? What was written on page number 300?
No, sir, I haven't read it.
You look the quality of JNU declining. I really don't have any.
Oh, what happens, sir? Actually, the people don't know how to speak English, how to read English. That's why they are having this kind of things. But, sir, if we allow them in this kind of prestigious institution, the quality of this institution will decline.
Yeah, we are in top 100 ICU ranking.
Let me ask some question. Okay, tell me about. Do you know Gudu Gudu, Professor Gudu Gudu, his book India After? Okay, tell me about what he said on page number 2.
This is India.
Look, they don't have any respect for faculty. For the renowned institute's faculty, these guys don't have any respect. How do you manage to come here? Open source. This internet has made things easier for them. Earlier our books used to be in library, so our guys used to go. So, okay. I will ask you more easy question. Okay. I hope this time you are able to answer it. In Panipat, do you know about war of Panipat, second war of Panipat? Okay, you know. So some big thing he knows. Okay. So how many Peshwa soldiers got killed in Panipat war?
I don't know.
Look! Oh my God! What is going to happen to JNU?
Most popular war. We don't know about that.
Third war. He doesn't know.
Country situation.
Okay, sir. look how many marks he has got in the return. I don't have any hope from these candidates.
But sir, he has a good.
No, but if he get good marks in interview, he will get the general quota seat. Then what will happen to our children?
Yeah, sir. Where will our children will go?
Yes.
When will they demand meritocracy?
Wait, I have to see. He has really good marks. So, sir, let's give him 0 in Viva.
No, sir. 0.
Yeah.
Some people will come and will say that they are discriminating, institutional discrimination, and all these things keep going on. We will give him 3 marks.
But sir, if we give him 3 marks, he will make into general quota. What will happen to our students?